And this is my rocket. Her name is Moxie. She's 172 centimeters tall, 75 millimeters in diameter, and she's compatible with any 54 millimeter solid composite propellant motor. So I spent a lot of time designing this rocket. I used to use Solidworks to model everything inside the rocket, which is really important to make sure that everything interfaced properly, and also keep track of all my body tube cut lengths, and that was very helpful when I was actually constructing the rocket. So I was able to successfully launch Moxie on October 28th of this year. She went to 2,200 feet, and both parachutes were deployed successfully, and it was considered a high-powered level launch, and it was completely recovered. I'm getting ready right now to launch again in the next couple months on a bigger motor and do another high-powered level launch.
And during my time at the 3DEXPERIENCE lab in Boston, I decided to design and fabricate a studio monitor. So these are the two mid-range drivers, the left and the right side. So these were printed, almost completely printed on a 3D printer using SLA printing, designed in SolidWorks. They use a plastic simulation resin, so you can see this unpainted version.